Hello, my name is Alexis Sillinger, and I am excited to talk to you about what I know, believe, and do. I believe it is very important to explore different practices and strategies because some practices might be more effective than others. I also believe that it's important to have a PLN and keep reaching out on that because then you will reach the world and see different things and what people believe and what you believe you can share. I believe it is important to reflect on the student's growth of different strategies because you might need to switch something up if the student isn't understanding or the concept isn't connecting to what you are saying. This comes to my main fact that I believe it is very essential to learn and find equitable access to educational tools like technology. I explored one called Khan Academy, and then once you explore that, you need to evaluate what it does and how it enhances your classroom. I know that it is very important to know the effectiveness of specific learning strategies because it is crucial for your students' learning. Also, I believe it's important, or I know it's important for you to stay engaged on your PLN because that is how you can see new things and explore your options. I also know that it is important to stay active in my research because anything could impact my students. I know it is important to stay connected and research different technology tools like Khan Academy because it can enhance my students' learning and it helps me to understand them better and see which one fits best for my classroom. I know that it is important to find relevant resources so it will enhance their learning and not just be put out there to replace me teaching. I do test new ideas and see the results by exploring different learning strategies and during my practicums and teaching them and seeing what works and what doesn't. I do actively participate in learning networks like Twitter and blogs because I believe that it can help me become an effective teacher in the future. I do improve instructional practices to help students have a better outcome by practicing because it is important to make sure that students get the best out of the assessment possible. I do different tools and websites to meet the needs of my students. I do access different tools and websites to meet the needs of my students who have diverse needs. I did Khan Academy and I observed it to see how effective it was, and I shared it with my classmates who were also doing the same thing to show the pros and cons of different websites for your classroom. Thank you.